That's a good fire. At least it's not raining. That's all that counts. I hate rain.
I thought you loved it.
I do, but not when I want to do something fun like this.
Marshmallow?
No, I don't eat my burnt. I don't eat my burnt like you do.
Then I'll make the next one yours.
No, I want s'mores. And we got s'mores in Mimi's bedroom, top up thing over there. Got 2 chocolate, we got cookies, crown thing, call it. I bought it on the way.
There's only 2 left.
Yeah, we might have to save those.
So we can only make 4.
Hey, I need to back up, Isabel. It flew. This is a big fire. So we may have to set this up right here. Don't move this, please don't.
Put it live. Put it live.
I am.
Is it live right now?
Yeah. I'm talking. Stop, don't waste these, don't waste them. Hey guys, what y'all doing?
My poor legs.
I'm gonna stay here all night long.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh look, it's already getting morning.
No, sunset's that way, behind the west. I mean that way, man.
Oh, okay.
It was get morning, that way it'd be lighter. That way it'd be lighter. This would be darker. That's dark, that fire, this is darker. That's the same size as fire.
Yeah, it's dawn or something like that. Dusk is dawn.
Well, it's burning that wood over there too.
You actually got a fire going.
A very good fire.
I guess all we needed was Mimo's. 1 was Mimo's help. 2 really good sticks.
Do you know the
and
fire
then, and then 3?
Do you know how we build a fire at Nana's fireplace? That's how big it is.
And then 3, the night sky and some marshmallows.
It's gonna be cold tonight. So we get them. We got covers in there. You got 2.
How much you got?
2.
I got 4.
I'm not gonna count. This should last a long time. Look at how many sticks we got. Come on now. We have a lot of sticks out here.
Another marshmallow. Here I come. Scott?
What?
I thought my stick was long, like, so I'm just like, Scott, look.
What?
So I'm just like, thinking my stick was that long.
They probably burnt your hand. Hey, they say stop. They stopped it after that, what we done.
That tree knock?
Yep.
After that tree knock from Bigfoot?
And the whoop whoop. Because they know what Bigfoot sounds like. They think it was real. They thought Bigfoot wasn't real. It's gonna be crap.
Those unbearable fools.
It's burning right there. See it?
Ow! 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 Get off my damn hand. Don't jump in the fire, please, this time.
Don't waste those here. Is that it right there?
That's my marshmallow. It's a fat one too. It's really fat.
It is pooping.
That's a fat turd.
Can you get it out? Yeah, I can.
Just half of it, though. Oh, yay.
That's not marshmallow. That's cardboard paper. That's how I got the fire back up. That's how I get the fire back up. Sure.
Got it. That's where my marshmallow fell. And it's disintegrating too.
This should last a pretty long time. This lasted pretty good. Cause every time we get little small sticks, it don't last.
Now you got a fucking big ass stick.
Do you know big sticks last a lot longer than small ones?
Yep. Oh God! Why do you not like me?
It's the wind changing it this way.
Do you not like me because I'm putting marshmallows in your ass? That's what you get. I'm gonna put 2 at a time. Should I do that?
It's your choice, not mine.
Yeah. You smell funny. Unless it's someone else.
Since I'll be done with shooting that, they're scared of shit. They won't come out at night time.
No, no, no! Oh no! No! The bottom one. The bottom one. The bottom one's about to betray me. You know, I'll just eat you anyway. I'll eat you real quick. Okay. Actually, no, you know what?
So far, it's a good fire.
I'll just find your broken place and I'll just roast you there first.
You know what's good fire? Because it dried up today. Damn.
Then I'll roast you this way. And then you let the fuck up fire. Happy birthday. Hold on. 1 second, look. Happy birthday to me. What's that say? I hate you, marshmallow. I have to wait till it cools down. Like it's steaming hot, see? Now to eat it like a sandwich.
Joe's like at Nan's house. he's going to like a sandwich and he got coughing.
Like, I'm gonna eat it like a sandwich. I guess that's how I eat my sandwich. I just cough it. Eat it. Cough it up.
This is going to be a good night.
No.
Since I've done a tree hunt, they're not doing anything. They're in the house while they're in the house.
Scared the living hell out of them. We're probably in the house. They're probably in their house scared as fuck. Well, we're over here just laughing and roasting marshmallows. Don't ask why I'm talking like this. Okay, now my face is whole food. Scott, I'll put it on marshmallow lipstick, and I think I got it all over me, and now I can't talk. I can barely talk now. I think I put it. Scott, I was putting on marshmallow lipstick, and now I can barely talk. See?
Oh, damn, that got me good.
What? Couple of things. Thank you. Because now that I have marshmallow all over my mouth, see, look. Now I can only do this. Scott, look. Now that Scott, look. Now that I only have now that I have marshmallows on my mouth, I can only do this now. Would you stop blowing in my face? I can only do this.
Shit.
I can only do this now. Scott, I blew out the marshmallow, and I farted at the same time. So I bloot. I blooted. You made me
Lose it.
No, you made. Stop blowing in my face, damn! Yummy. I said stop!
I walked by this reason.
Are you gonna stop now? Nope. I wanna eat my marshmallow on base! Oh God! Stop trying to blow my face.
It's
I
out.
did nothing
It's
to you! I did nothing to you. Okay. Let's try this again. I didn't need your God! I didn't need your disruption. Oh God, my eye. Too much smoke got in there.
Close it, keep closing it. Do this.
But then how am I gonna eat my marshmallow? Ow.
Now open it. Damn. Damn. It fell.
Frick you, fire!
It's a bell. Don't do that to my precious fire.
You ruined my day. Wait, no, you ruined my night. Sorry.
Damn it, roll back over again.
Okay, I'm back. I need to get my stick if you don't mind.
Over there.
I know that.
Look at the sky, Isabel. Look. I'm talking about this way. Look. Look at that smoke is going to. It's so cool. And it makes the air pollution go down too, probably. Not really.
I'm gonna make Mackenzie 2 roasted marshmallows. Well, not roasted marshmallows, but I'm gonna give her original one, and then one roasted.
Give Mom one too.
Okay.
She wants one.
Mama, do you want a roasted marshmallow or a regular marshmallow?
We got s'mores. Go get the two. Tell Mama go get the two. We got s'mores. Damn.
Really? Tell her that I'm making her one.
I want one too, actually.
Yeah. That means that we can only do 2 more.
Yeah.
These are full Hershey bars.
Hey, I want one. This.
You took it? How dare you? You don't get a Hershey. You don't get a s'more. You can't afford to keep buying one.
Hey, but I'm gonna put the light on the tent. I can't wait for this thing. I need to come out of this tent. How big is hot? Is Buddy saying light in the tent? Like out the spaces?
Yeah.
You know we can put chairs in that thing. It's almost done. We're trying.
It's almost done.
It's almost done. We're trying to get it on the stick.
Well, that's because I'm still roasting it, lady. Yeah.
This is gonna be a fun night.
It's getting there to watch that. Look at s'mores takes patience. If you don't want it.
I love sleeping out here. This tent a little bit. The other tent is like so small you don't get your privacy. Yeah, I'll take it to her. Hurry up, she wants it.
Okay.
Martha stays here, I told her.
Okay.
Next weekend we're going to, next weekend, on Saturday, guess what, we're going. Come Fair. Come Fair don't end till 17th of this month. It's like so quiet here.
Yeah, I don't hear anything besides the fire right now.
And dogs.
And the dogs, because like they all ran.
I know they did. I'm not stupid. They're scared. No, they are.
Even Brittany ran.
That's not Brittany. I know that.
Because I recognize her voice. Plus, Brittany was all the way up there. She could have just walked.
I didn't know. I didn't know that was her. I didn't meant to scare her, ma'am.
I mean,
I didn't meant to scare her,
he
damn.
does drugs, so. Last time you all.
She knows him, and Brittany knows us and Emily.
Huh? Huh?
Brittany knows us and Emily. She
Yeah, I
goes to
know.
church with us.
Half the time. Barely.
Actually, she does now. She's in last Wednesday.
Yeah, but that's just last Wednesday. Give me another marshmallow. Get the marshmallows.
And I'm still recording.
Nice.
Tasha's, they were at a hotel, so, up here.
I
Down
got to see me.
Hmm?
Got to see me.
Who?
The logs.
I'm not doing live. Just recording.
Yeah, just so you can try and do it while you're sleeping. Something like that.
I'll make same part.
Okay.
It can part with them.
Mom! Is Mackenzie still awake? Mackenzie.
Mackenzie still.
Okay, ask her if she wants a s'more or a roasted marshmallow.
She wants to know if you want a roasted s'more or the roasted marshmallow. Plain.
Fine. Okay.
She eats marshmallows plain. What? No?
No.
I don't take them. Nope.
But
Mama. Kids are all happy.
I knew she would. I knew she would be happy.
Damn it, they were in my hand.
Why do you think I got her one?
Yeah, I dropped it. No, I didn't.
Good, I'm gonna fuck this. Don't make me drop the one again.
My size is
It's kicking in. We're breaking out a lot.
getting fixed up. My size is stopping.
That's good.
Yeah, I was talking there a while ago, sorry.
I made this a few seconds ago and I'm still eating it.
Yeah, it takes a while. Might take a while.
So where's your corner? What time is it?
I'll fix it in here soon.
Oh.
It's right now. I can tell. It's about 8 something. 8 o'clock. About 8 something. About 8:40, 8:30. I don't know.
Okay, check on your phone then.
I haven't had a good day. Bye.